What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuned in for another video, man. Today we messing with the DRAGY again. This time I'm gonna tell y'all what the time is. I really been wanting to try it out on Rhythm and Blues, man. And I know y'all getting the video late, man. I'm uploading it late, this and that. I'm shooting it late too, man. At first I didn't even have no video for y'all, and I had this plan, but I didn't get it shot in time enough. So I was like, man, I'm gonna go ahead and do it today. Upload it today so my people got something to watch, man. It better late than never, what I say. So I went to the track last night, but I didn't know the track was open. I didn't know the track was open, man. So I found out last minute. When I found out, I was like, I'm not about to be scrambling, hooking the trailer up, trying to change the tires over on RnB and all of that. So I just didn't go. I went, but I ain't take no car. So what we about to do is take the DRAGY. We're gonna make us a couple of hits on the hard tire on RnB, and we're gonna see what it got, what it run. So y'all put y'all comments, y'all guess it below what y'all think it gonna run on the hard tire in the road, and we're gonna see what it do, man. Like I said, if you saw the track video, you know what it ran, cause I told the times it was 9 something. I give y'all that much, so y'all see, take an estimate on. But we had a problem too. We had a problem then. It was squirting out the back vent tube. You know, the float level was too high, so we weren't making full 660 passes. So we about to get this thing crunk up, and we're gonna check back in. Alright, y'all, we got Rhythm and Blues all crunk up, man. She running good, running crispy, still clean. Even when this car be dirty, man, it be clean. So now I'm gonna get the DRAGY set up. We're gonna switch over to the GoPro, and then we're gonna see what it run, man. This time, I need a mirror mount, man. I need a mirror mount, cause I'm gonna get the camera view where it show the display on there for y'all and all that. But I ain't gonna have no way to prop my phone up, cause I was gonna use the camera view on the DRAGY app and try it out, but I ain't got no way to prop the phone up, man. I ain't got no mount. So I'm trying to think, man. I'm trying to think how to make it. I ain't got no way to make it work. I'm gonna have to go get that. I'm going to get that from Walmart today, cause we're gonna need that. But anyway, man, we can go make a hit. I might grab a screen recording or something and then put it on the screen. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Got the DRAGY going. I'm gonna take a little drive for a little minute. You know, it'll take a long time to get to Mexico. So we're gonna take a good little drive, man. It's a good day to have the old school out too, man, cause the temperature finally starting to go down, man. So it feel good, man. Like we're coming out them 90s. I done got up this morning, I did everything, man. I got up early, worked out. We had a little problem with our well, man. Called my well company to come out. They done got that straight. They went good. Shout out to them. What else? I done changed the climate control switch switch and wipe the Escalade. Took the radio out the Denali. Man, I did everything. I've been on the road. And now we shooting that video last minute. And we're going to the track tonight. So I got to hook the trailer up and all that. And I'm gonna go try to see if I can get that portable air pump y'all talking about in Milwaukee. I need that to keep from taking that air tank, man, that air compressor stuff. So we might slide to Home Depot today too, cause like I said, I'm shooting 2 separate videos. And I am going to the track tonight with Camaro, which I'll see that video after this one, obviously. So you know, I'm just on the road today. I'm super busy, man, trying to stay busy. So I'm gonna take this little drive, then I'm gonna screen record the DRAGY. I'm gonna do a screen recording on my phone so I can put it integrated in the video so y'all can see it too, how it works when you in motion. And then we're gonna take back in, so y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, we about to get ready. Let me see. Start screen record up. And we're gonna see what we got. Going and we're gonna see what we got. Reset that, set the DRAGY, and let's get it. It cut off. Well, it cut off when I got out of it. I heard it say quarter mile right when we got out of it. So, you know, we didn't run the full quarter. And man, I passed my turn. Let's see what we got. Let me see. Oh man. We're gonna see what we got, man. We had some wheel spin though. We had a decent amount of wheel spin. I didn't think it was gonna be that much wheel spin, to be honest with you. We're gonna get turned around, man, then we're gonna check back in. Alright y'all, we're gonna try the camera this time. See if I can set it up. Man, it's bright, there you go. See if it'll stay right there. I don't know, we're gonna see. Probably ain't. No, we're gonna see. Yeah, it ain't gonna stay. It ain't gonna stay. I'm trying to get it for y'all. No, that ain't gonna work, y'all. So we gonna screen record again. Let's see. Oh, still we never stop. Start screen recording again. We're gonna make another hit. I'm trying not to get so much wheel spin. Takes a little hit. Quarter mile. We still didn't run the quarter. I'll look at all that later. It saved the logs, man, so that's the good thing about it. I looked through I've been going through the app and they found out where saved the log set and all that good stuff. So, you know, we're gonna go back and check everything out. And I'm gonna put the screen record of the DRAGY app up while the pass is going. Well, obviously at this point y'all done saw them. Y'all done saw them already, so somebody else been testing tune TNT. But yeah, we're gonna get back to the house and then I'm gonna look at everything and see what it did. And I found out the DRAGY it's accurate up to about 2/100ths of a second. They're pretty accurate. So 2/100ths of a second, it's basically be 2/100ths of a second slower than what the actual ET usually translate out to. So whatever it says on the DRAGY app, the car actually in reality probably went 2/100ths of a second faster. So whatever y'all saw on the screen, I don't know how well y'all saw it. Whatever y'all saw on the screen, it probably went like 2/100ths of a second faster than that. So and it still got wheel spin on the launch. The second time I didn't bring the RPMs up as much on the launch or whatever. So to try to ease it out more. But I mean, it'd be a straight little hard tire car or whatever. I mean, and like I said, I think there's a good 890 car, man. Even on the slicks, like this is a perfect 890 car. Like it got enough power to do that. So I'm gonna get back to take that long drive back to the crib, man. It's gonna take a long time, and we're gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. So y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm back, man. We back from making a little test hit. Made 2 little hits. By now, y'all saw the screenshot, the screen recording, and like I said, Cutlass pretty straight on the hard tire. Like I said, it did about what I expected on that hard tire, which that's why I say it's a good 890 car. The first run was actually better than the second run. So I guess more RPM off the line is better, even though, you know, it got a lot more wheel speed. It car moving more. So the first one was a 920, I think. A 920. Yeah, a 920. Yeah, it was a 920, which would be like a 90 or 90 flat. Let me be sure. I think it's a 920, but it'd be like a 90 flat, and then the other one was a 937. I remember that one. Let me see. 932. My bad. 932. So there's like a 922. There would have been like a 922 on the track. The other one was a 937, which would have been like a 927 on the track. I mean, I'm saying I said it wrong. It was a 932, which would have been like a 930 flat. I said a 10. It would have been like a 930 flat, and the other one would have been like a 935 because it's 37. So 2/100ths of a second. The mile per hour is always spot on. 76. It ran about 70 some mile per hour in the 8. Quarter mile don't matter because I got out of it and I heard it say quarter mile while I was rolling. I didn't run a quarter mile, I ran an 8. Which I mean that's fairly decent for RnB. I mean for what it is, it's only 300 horsepower in the full weight car and stuff. So like I said, that's what it is. Y'all see that draggy? I'm loving that thing, man. It's a useful tool. So like I said, if I were to put the slicks on and take some of that weight, which would be a lot of weight running, rotational weight, will be took off from the wheels and the front runners and stuff. That'll drop a lot of rotational weight, so it'll be like a good 890 car. Like I said, I'm on the money. I told people that from the beginning, man. I said I've been doing stuff long enough. I called the times on my car, and I done got them right too. Every car that I owned before I ran it, I called the time, and I was spot on. I be spot on with it. Cause I know how much power it take for a certain weight car to go a certain ET in the 1/8 mile. I know enough racers. I done talked to enough racers. I done seen enough tickets, and I done ran enough. I know how much power it take in a certain weight to go a certain number, a certain ET. So yeah, man, it's a fun little video. I like that, man. I gotta try that thing out and everything. I gotta do dolo neck. Man. Man, probably next week. The week after next, I'm gonna get back on dolo, man. Start back driving dolo. Well, I done got on dolo, I should say, but I'm gonna start back driving dolo. I had to give that thing a break, cause I was, man, 2 or 3 weeks straight with that car. I said, man, let me take a break, give the other one some attention. Well, I don't know, it might be 2 weeks, cause the truck gonna come back. I'm gonna be on the truck, and I really haven't done a whole lot of content with brown coat for y'all. Dolo, we got a decent amount of content, but brown coat, I actually haven't gave y'all a lot of content. So dolo, y'all might not see it for probably another 2 weeks. I probably won't mess with it unless I just pop up and do a ride reaction or something, or maybe take it to the track again and see what it do just to take it or whatever. And I don't know, but I know when brown coat come back, since it been gone 3 weeks now, it gonna be like brand new to me, and I don't be wanting to mess with that. Then I'm gonna be pushing the RnB off and pushing John Jones off, cause I'm gonna be wanting to fool with the truck, and it need to go to the track, and I gotta get the nitro kit hooked up on it, and I gotta get the nitro kit hooked up on dolo. So them two probably gonna be gone, cause they gonna have to be right beside each other, cause the kit coming off dolo going on the truck, and dolo getting a brand new kit. So yeah, man, that's what we got planned. Like I said, good little video. Like better late than never. I know it was last minute, but like I said, man, I had to give y'all something to watch. Y'all be wanting something to watch. So now I ain't finna talk y'all to death. I seen that DRAGY. Next time we're gonna try it out in Dolo in the truck, and then they're gonna be that. I'm gonna take it to the track tonight too, cause like I said, y'all gonna see that video after this one. I'm going to the track with John Jones, which is why it got the shoes on it. And in the other video, it didn't have the shoes on it, which y'all gonna see tomorrow. But that's why I got the race shoes on it, turned around so I can just back up to it, load on the trailer, and boom, boom, bam, we're gonna see what it do. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it, y'all. That's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.